Every peaceful word and action is a brick in the bridge toward a better world. Imagine, kids, we are building a big bridge with colorful bricks.
Now, let's talk about the power of peace. Peace is not merely a distant goal that we seek, but means by which we arrive at that goal.
We should not fight.
Okay, we should not fight. Then what should we do?
We should be best friends. So that's why.
Peace building is the process of creating lasting peace by addressing the root causes of conflict that is happening and also supporting societies to resolve the difference without violence.
So good, I watched it countless times, ma'am. This movie I've watched many times.
By choosing kindness over hatred, kindness over hatred, courage over fear, and understanding over assumptions, we become peace ambassadors. And I would love to have these children as my peace ambassadors. Let's continue to grow as responsible, caring individuals who contribute to a safe and united world.